Pambawi.
Yay!
Yay! Nakakapang pinabog ako. Pa-surprise. Pasilip nga din. And then, for the 4th, 7th year, we'd like to call on. So, sino mo ito bibigyan nito? Tito Jonathan! May Gcash naman. QR code, bigay ko sa'yo mamaya. Picture muna, picture.
Yan. Picture sa iPad.
Bakit naka-angpaw sa lang? May pa-surprise eh. Yan. And for the 5th, 7th deal, we'd like to call on Ate Rose. Ay, si Rose pala yun. Kagalang-galang yung pangalan mo, Tin. Happy birthday! Parang malungkot siya. Ano gusto nito? 10,000. Alright, for the 6th, 7th bill, Ate Gwyneth, pero wala po siya. And last but not least, the 7th bill, Ninang Rhea. Ayaw mo pang umiti. Hindi ka talaga ngiti. Umiti na siya. Ayan, there goes the 7 bills of Angel.
Dami na pabiling squishy.
Squishy ka? And then last but not least, for Angel's 7th birthday, 7 gifts. Ano kaya itong mga to? Sana may dilata. The first of the 7 gifts we'd like to call on Hailey Keith Garcera. Palakpakan naman natin. Gutom na ba? Mamaya may chicken. Picture kayo. Baka makaalay to. Ang cute mo naman, baby. Thank you. Yan. And for the second of the 7 gift, we'd like to call on Aliyah Chantel Harte.